Well, this morning, the people accused of running an alleged cockfighting ring are due in court. Fox 61's Stephen Reels is in Rockville now with more on what we can expect. And this was a big bust. A lot of people remember it because more than 100 people were arrested.
Yeah, and two of those included actually members of the East Hartford Public Schools District. The district tells us that they were actually put on administrative leave while this investigation goes underway. But the two people we're keeping our eyes on were actually the property owners of what was going on in Tolland. Of course, we are talking about Elvin and Lisa Miranda, who were arrested and charged with cruelty to animals, professional gambling, operating a gambling premise, and a risk of injury to a minor. However, both of them were later released on a $250,000 bond. After a large-scale investigation of the operation back in May, 270 birds were found on the property that had to be euthanized. State Senator Jeff Gordon tells us that these arrests followed a pre-planned raid and the town knew something was going on. Still, neighbors were caught off guard by this series of events that they thought happened in their quiet neighborhood.
I mean, I was overseas and in the Philippines and places like that they had these, but right here, no, and Tolland's a pretty quiet community. Should get prosecuted. I mean, killing those birds, cruelty to animals and all that stuff. I don't play that ball game.
So the more we'll learn later from law enforcement about what happened and what can be done in the future legislatively to hold people more accountable, I'll wait to hear that.
And the Mirandas are expected in court around 10 a.m. We're going to be keeping an eye on that throughout the morning. So to stay up to date, follow us along on air and online on fox61.com. In Rockville, Stephen Reels, Fox 61.